exhausted.
You would?
I'm exhausted.
What?
Did you notice what I did with it?
You stuck it in the refrigerator?
Because I had the cheese and put the cheese in there, and stuck that in there, close it. It's like,
Wait a
that's
second.
not right.
I have so done that. I think this would be fine. It feels firm still.